This is the Cook with Kivo challenge. Actually, say, cook with Kivo 100% natural spices. The Kivo 100% natural ginger, garlic, and onion. The Kivo 100% natural stew spice. The Kivo 100% natural soup spice. The Kivo curry plus powder. And the Kivo 100% natural hot pepper. All you have to do is record a cooking video using
festival we no ye chief bebre ya ko companies bebre say la te fo e do nipa la te fo e wo do na ye pese ni na omunite na omu waye companies bebre number people for say ye dey be dey people so be dey ye be party bo se ma people for na e ka people so dia na spices seasoning products and all here. Now open ginger, open garlic, spices here organic and natural. And then you know what people do. Now and I'm no sunti, and now the ass on them who don't see. The whole joy that the force I'm about supporting like the home festival about Semano. You nearby ya shown them who don't see. The who don't see joy that the force I'm supporting. Na ye mama so wa Ni mama so wa bon Semano mama sorry ni hu kakra. Bon Semano mama. Oh please clap for mama, ni mama wa We don't say, our boss so baby de Malatedin so Malatedin can say, it's more bonfire, who will be my Sunday. They said, oh, ye be a Malatemai. Onunzi, Joy Daddy, for so Abba supporting him. I want the Amawadi Akakibo for home. I want the Amunim Diakakubo for home. And I am for home. I want the Amunim Diakakubo for home. and I had 2025. Maria, and I'm going to Kasa. Maria, Kasa. So she is from Kivo, Madam Way, our marketing, cooking department. On our way now, so honestly, I'm going to and the management. It's a business say and you bring get a bit of at the end of your mind. Bon someone Abraham, please let's do it for someone. I see all camp of four now, and I'm missing myself, women simple food. It's okay, cheap. Now, me see, and yes, and yes, it's a good train. That's awesome, thank you. Questions. Who answer member of Kibo Gari? What did he? What's he Hana? What the position? What's he Hana? Auntie, please continue.
Kibo spices, no matter 100% natural. Nothing. Because Kibo spices, no matter 100% natural. Kibo spices. 100% natural. Kibo spices. 100% natural. The person 100% natural. I said just say Kibo spices. They would hear way too much. They would hear way too much. And should I get help, sir? What dear, what we go to the sign out did it too much, we didn't be prayer, I'm out me, Ari. Right. Now, keep us spices 100% natural clean. MSG and actually be soon. You were 100% ginger, garlic, and onion powder. Once I pay a soup, maybe I eat ginger, garlic, any chili, a room. It's a Kibo. Yeah, the ginger garlic onion, apple, and I am a mouth. It's a woman yasa over for market, apple, jelly, ginger, and garlic. No side of the abayam, and no time be brave. It's a yada amount. It's a ginger garlic onion, now with the air returning here. Yes, sour, a Kibo curry plus, and almost 20 years or low. Once I got there, carry the money at the pan. And yes, our Kibo stew spice. And yes, our Kibo soup spice. And yes, our Kibo hot pepper. Kibo hot pepper. My agent, Kibo spices and 100% natural. Kibo and Gary Kwan, why? You were non-dairy creamer. It's a milk to be the good journey. You were baked beans. By your Yama baby and your Gary Penny. Who may you and now come up and have one last over Kibo spices. Kibo spices. Ready. Maya, you'll be having a diary. Viva! with Kivo, Tracy for Kivo, yeah, with Gianni. Right. It's going to be a copia, you have 3 Kivo spices, and then you can do piano. What does my make? It's when we have 4 contestants. Obia, Jollof. I'm going to Kivo Curry Plus, no, every good Jollof name, Namana, the come. Jollof no, ebe use chicken, obi to use fish, and I'm going to pay the hour. Kivo ginger, garlic, and onion powder, no, and every steaming. Omuria, Empire, no, the Kivo soup spice, and ye. It's Omuria, you better know very first, second, third, and Omuria, only Kivo spices here, Daniel. Over 100%. They are correct application of Kivo products. Kivo products to be brain over the age and you have some saying Kivo and then now and then now this stew and then now this soup and then now the curry plus yes, it's 99. I'm sure you'll be here saying, yeah, when you so correct, when 20 points. Creativity, that's why 20 points. When someone is now different ways of being. It's in your opinion, you say, or you master, pound, 3 years, and you 20 points. Now, pay the estate. You did not there yet the pan, another winner, 20 points. And yeah, what time? I'm only 2 hours and a age, already know, I'm 30 minutes. It's a timekeeper, that's all share. It's 2 hours, because I stop work. If I stop work, I still now age, better than max. Because I stop work, I was saying, when you know the age, now, what you I was serving with animal plates. Because I stop work, the person price will be every at 3. So as I say, and also time 20 points. And your cleanliness of the cooking area. The best say, Obia Shisham in Yama Pepe, presenting a journey in Pepe, and also 20 points. Good evening in Aboma, about 100%. It's in a sunny 100.
Obonse my sister.
fine. Yes, sir.
Oh, so it's a uniform decision. But even you remember no yeah think yeah na me say you even say mo no so ense no so me say me say mo no so ense no so ebia mama dey mo no so ebia no me ka kenye so that who want and so we say yeah we see who are we like I said, me here, who are me? I said, no, we're party back. And I did it also. First one, a restaurant owner. She's a chef, a very big chef. It's a near when you want to come, so for your come. I don't know, KBR. It's the answer so far. There ain't no who. I was 40 was in now.
Okay, the first one, the rice is not that bad. Okay. It's good, but it's left with the cooking. It's not well.
You're all part and first one for them. Oh my idea. Now so I can cry, nip bean. Yes, yeah, no, say fried rice and then bring papa. It's a cacra. It's a no for some fried rice. It's I don't know how. And I did you.
The second one is very good. Okay. With the taste and everything is okay.
Now the other the second one, taste any garnishing. Everything is on point. Oh my idea.
The third one too is good. But it's very British. That's the only thing.
Okay. I see third one here very good. Now very pepperish. Pepperish. I don't know this is only watermelon the brain. As well as pepperish. Yes, a bokonu doso. Yeah, people. But I don't put them on fourth. And then the last group, what do you have for them?
The fourth one,
okay. Last one also, you see, aka nimbiye kakra. I want to make fried rice for them. It's almost why I did. Let me talk to Yas mother. Yas on them's mother. The superstar's manager. Mama, who called through? Me do kakra. Me do kakra. Media just a good academy. I go on account. What do you need your papa auntie? It's the end of what you're living now. My mother is being political. Or a politician, or person of a or person of a or when you know my idea. Mama was my idea. Yes, so please, the final say lies in the bosom of Auntie Baby. She is the representative of Kibo Natural 100% Spices, Kibo Gary. And so, on no, and a better say, a good way, when I'm ready first. But Mammy can't talk to say, Omunyina ya de obi o ha na gas na ha no obi o ha na problem bi ha no enu tia enye sa agobie bi na be fo anti na kensie de eye dan ya e wo senya first enya second enya third enti ne obenye bia no you need to give thanks to God. Next year no I prepare year no be good ya me say omunyina amen did you let's go auntie Once again, we've come to the end of this amazing cooking competition. 2 hours of solid exhibition of cooking prowess. It is all over. And we want to say thank you to people for the support and everything. I just have to...
very easy because already even before I didn't know. Right. And people for the last year, because once I would keep 100% of our space very reality, there's no way mistake. Any no matter again this is a baby. It's a one year the time, you're crowned and winner. And you want a runner up. But 4 groups, number 3, number 4, also like him. Why? It's may the comments from private company.
Opinion! Opinion!
One presentation now it was very good. Okay. So now ended. Soon now ended.
Group 1.
Yes. This the section was great. And our meeting was very tender. I won't say super our meeting now very but we did a very tender and delicious. Right. That was for group 1. Group 2, excellent presentation. We had pineapple style take your time and some presentation. So it's not bad. This I don't forget the capri and we need to also tenderness like capra. But overall, now we can eat the pan. 3. I can't do 3 a come up my pan. Once I make a table, we are not a say, oh, keep open that same woman. Now, try, then you put that some spices. But you feel me from one of my head. My country, which means they understood the assignment. I won't say one as they can. And I paid them 3, so we tasted your love. Who said, Obi can hear you. But then you know how to taste, I was going to say, you don't really different. Yeah. It's a good 3 jollof. Who says, no, say, assignment nice only, kibo spices, no problem. Every plus, no jollof. See, what is the pet? What is when kibo jollof? We are there. The rest of the make us say, okay. Group 4, we all go you an apology. Group 4, I think, now, Omujina, I haven't seen. Omujina, I was so easy. Easy, and I can't show you. Oh, yes. We don't bring you a piece more science. But before the break, but irrespective of salon, SMSC, your food was very good. Right? It can press the baby, but still, what is the ending? As I said, if we all said and done, when I get back, I'll say the last. No issues plenty is unfair, but say the let's be coming and and I need the but issues not facing right. And one so we have the pan, they want me a background. Right, you find the pan, if I meet you, because we never start at the same time. It's a competition like I said, 2 it's Yeah, we know.
Open here. Open here. I said, hey.
Why are you the winner goes to
Keyboard sponsors. We want to say thank you to our first winners. Everybody say one shot. Abigail and Anthony. Vamos a vamos. Oh, yo ya na. Vamos a. Bueno.
For this program, nice program, thank you very much.
We are teacher. 100% here. As a father says, it's the Mediasa. Bring the sensor. The Mediasa. Hey! Obiambra!
Paco TV.